What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on VGX Voyager token, which has pumped up just under 28% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just under 9 cents. Yes, the crypto market is on the red side, with Bitcoin dropping all the way down to $57,000 guys, which is not looking too great. However, VGX has decided to take a little bit of a pump, so we're going to be going through why has it pumped up. Is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? And essentially covering its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, what we can expect and predict, and is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we are indeed in the lower part of the red zone, which is not too great. But I will be using this later on in the video to do some technical analysis, so for now I'm just going to hide this and bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of VGX, which is here in purple at just over 7 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at nearly 9 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. And also, as you guys can see, for most of April the value of VGX was below the SMA indicator. However, right now it has pumped up over it, meaning it does have a chance that it is slightly overvalued, but I'll get into that shortly. For now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and it is indeed looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. And the blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning it is expected to take a little bit of a dip over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday to afternoon time, the crypto, in my opinion and predictions, it should have taken a little bit of a step back down in value, down to around 8 cents in value is where I'm expecting VGX to be trading at. Reason being is it has gone through quite a huge pump in value in a short amount of time, meaning right now it is slightly overvalued and it is expected to hit more red candles. However, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red candles. It is also likely to hit green candles, heading up over the 9 cents target over the coming hours before it slowly starts to hit red candles, dropping down to around 8 cents in value by midday to afternoon time. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we are looking way too steep. Both the lines, the orange and the blue line, are looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking too steep to be realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting VGX to have taken more drops in value, potentially dropping down just over 7 cents is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid next week. Even though it is likely to hit both green and red days in between, it is likely to be volatile. The overall outcome, unfortunately, does seem to be more on the negative side. Reason being is the exact same as the previous chart. The crypto is slightly overvalued and is likely to go for a little bit of a dip over the coming week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, the blue line is still looking quite bullish, and so is the orange line as well. However, the blue line is looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. However, the orange line is just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from VGX over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late June 2024, the crypto should be trading around the 14 to 15 cents value is what I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, some of you guys may find it a little bit too high, but however, I'm expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high by mid-year. Even though yes, it is going for a little bit of a dip, I'm expecting it to pump back up in value in mid to late May, and potentially by mid-year it should have hit a new all-time high, which in return should have a positive impact on the crypto market, and hence why I'm expecting VGX to be also pumping up to around 15 cents in value by mid to late June is what my expectations are. However, if there are any major changes to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, and mainly to stay in the loop on what to expect and what to predict, as I keep you guys updated more or less on a daily basis on the crypto market and any major updates that I come across. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we do have quite a long way to hit the resistance target here, which is just about 36 cents in value, which I'm not expecting VGX to be hitting this year. Reason being is it has been dropping quite a lot. Maximum I'm predicting the crypto to go to this year is around 20 to 23 cents in value, but again, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market. That's why regular updates are very important. So what I'm gonna do now is get rid of the Fibonacci scale and head into the CoinMarketCap website. And as you guys can see, the pump literally took place earlier on this afternoon out of nowhere, and right now has pumped up 26%. Over the week it has pumped up 15%. Majority of the days it has been hitting red days except the last 24 hours, and over the month massive 23% down, guys. So is the crypto market. However, as you guys know, majority of the cryptos do follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin as well. So on the side here, we can see the trading volume has gone up near about 700% in the last 24 hours, making it over $38 million in trading in the last 24 hours. Again, obvious reason it has gone up is because of the pump that's taken place, and again, it is likely to increase a little bit higher than where it is at the moment as more and more people start to trade the crypto. So can VGX hit the dollar mark? I've seen this comment online. Quite a lot of people have been saying it is likely to hit the dollar mark. However, I am not expecting this crypto to hit the dollar mark anytime soon, as that will not be sustainable, and again, it's going to require a major percentage increase, which I'm not expecting at the moment. However, let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting VGX to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.